काल जे कितें जालें न्हू ते CMन अश्युरन्स दिला. ओके, नाव वी नीड टू हायलायट बिफोर दीस प्रॉब्लम डायज डावन. बाबा, वॉट आर द जेन्युइन इश्यूज, who are the people working for the genuine issues and who are not working for the genuine issues. Now in today's scenario, it is only the social welfare where street providence is concerned which is getting the funding in time. It is small funding but it is coming in time. Now if this department का हे डिपार्टमेंट आमकां in time दिवंक शकता एडवान्स काय 3-3 म्हयने, दुसरे डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक दिवंक शकना? अहें ना की सगळे डिपार्टमेंट, वी आर नॉट ब्लेमिंग एनी डिपार्टमेंट, वी आर ब्लेमिंग द इंडिविजुअल who does not move the file. We are blaming the individual who thinks that they own the department. That cannot be that, no.
आणि तुमी तेजे उपरांत खुबशे उलयले विथ रेफरन्स टू सपोर्ट जे मेळटा तुका गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो, कसले सपोर्ट आनी कितें तुमकां मेळना?
हय, फंडींग येता, पण फंडींग इज कॅल्क्युलेटेड इन बोथ दीस डिपार्टमेंट, सोशल वेलफेअर एंड वुमन एंड चायल्ड एट 2003 rate. It is now 2023. So they have assured to look into the matter. But they are saying we have moved the file. They have not moved the file. It was on the table yesterday. They have moved the file. We have given application. They have accepted the application. Application has cost 3 stages. That is not, and we have given it only 2 months ago. They have given it 2 years ago. So this is one department. Second is the health department. If the health department withdraws the support to us, we will shut everything in one day. Kon bekar na hospital and this bon natspak. At the moment, it is working. The minister is same. So minister should know that if this department is giving support, that department also should give. No, it is interrelated. Na health and women and child or health and social welfare is interrelated. Our request is what? See, either you solve the problem or you close the problem. We will not carry forward beyond this.
Well, Donald, you are talking with reference to current scenario, but clearly the funding that is promised also is not enough for you.
Right. Because nobody is taking funds from both these departments. We are the only shelter home in both the departments. So nobody knows. They are not approving anything. After coming there 52 Mondays, I have come here 52 Mondays. I have made 2 stops. So it's not that they are giving the money just like that. They are also giving 2,500 rupees, which they have assured to revise. But they are giving you advance. They are not supposed to give. Their scheme is 2,500. It is a scheme which they will revise. They have assured already 2 months back. That scheme is 5,000, but they are giving 2,500.
But is the 5,000 also?
It's not feasible. It is not.
What is the right figure? What do you demand?
As of today, let them revise it. I have given my application. I have shown how much money, especially in mental disability, they are paying in Providoria, because Providoria takes the patients from IPHB. What is the Providoria rate? Let them see. I have quoted less than that. They have assured. I am confident that Subhash Phaldesai, the director, the social welfare secretary, knows what I am doing. I am also confident that the women and child department through the women and child minister now will look into the matter. We are also confident that the CM who has assured that he will sort it out on Monday or Wednesday will sort it out. See, these are Goan people. आमचे कितें सांगतू ना बाबा, आमी फाल्यां बंद करतले आनी पेड करतले जाल्यार चॅप्टर क्लोज्ड. इतले मनीस जे कमी रस्त्यार आहा ते सरकाराकूय फायदो आहा आनी आमी सर्वीस दिता. आमकां सर्वीस दिवपाची सोय आहा, पूण सर्वीस दिवपाक तुका पयशे जाय न्हू, तुका कितें जाय न्हू बेनिफीट. तूं ते सायडीक आमकां कितें सपोर्ट दिता, खातेले कितें पगार भोगतलो कोण? देर आर 16 nurses in the ladies home. Our demand is give us what is there, no, and revise the scheme, revise both the schemes. Let them how much they are paying Providoria. Whatever you are paying Providoria, according
how much they are paying Providoria?
You find out from Providoria what is the servant's cost, what is the caregiver's cost, what is the nurse's cost, what is the manager's cost, and what is the other cost you are bearing. Na, you are having. See, we are having the most number of psychiatric patients after IPHB. There is nobody in Goa having 125 patients psychiatric registered in the department who gives us medicine. We are almost, their beds are 190, our beds are 240. Any point of time we will be more than them. So they should use common sense. We have an order from the health director that the health, wherever the health PHC, CHC, it's an order signed by the director. They should visit our home every 15 days. They are not visiting.
If these negotiations don't work, do you think you should go to the center? And
No, we will close the home, sir. We are not going nowhere, sir. I have no time to go nowhere. I am doing a service. If you don't support me, we have to go. Means the writing is on the wall. Why go and fight? वाय फायट विथ समबडी इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट मी आयल गो नो सी नोबडी इज डुईंग नो कोण फावर करना रे कोणाक तूं म्हाका फावर करिनाय हांव तुका फावर करीन आमी सर्वीस दिता तुमकां नाका तितून जायना न्हू आतां इतले सपोर्ट दिता ते आमी म्हणटा डबल कर आमचे कितें पयशे आहा ते आमकां दी फावर करनाका तुका दिवपाचें ना जाल्यार हेंकां सगळ्यांक व्हर वील ड्रॉप देम बॅक नो already the staff from the women and child department secretary has said no write to all the MLAs and tell them to take them we'll do that only or we'll drop them in the police station why police didn't come yesterday to women and child department she threatened I'll call the police the policeaचे मनीस माझे मनीस ते सगळे brought by the police ते वतले खंय see one more problem the gazette is not gazetted which are the shelter homes in Goa by the official gazette ना police हाडटा कित्याक ते एक relationship आहा फाल्यां ना म्हटल्यार कितें वतले police to look after mental people you require special license which this department gives you cannot put mental people with the old age that is another see there are so many laws it is not only one law either we get together or we don't get together त्याच्या शिवाय काय करूंक शकना आमी आनी कितले करतले पळय we are all having small children we are all getting stressed we all have our personal life this is hitting my brains if I don't get money I am going to react whatever the next person wants to do that is their choice I am not doing anything dadagiri threatening I am telling you my problem if I am frustrated what do you want me to do
Have you given a deadline to the government?
once the people reach the street will become the deadline no now we brought 20 he has assured we are believing both of CM and the women and child minister see again I'm saying this is a problem created by the deputy director this is not a problem created by the minister women and child it is not created by the minister by somebody it is created by the women and child department we are only highlighting now that is one problem here we don't have a problem but you increase the funding give us something what you're giving provisory no other we won't take see if we stop if we get out of this hospitals will pile up streets will pile up now the hospital IPHB is not piled up they have 190
They have a capacity to
190 I got 125 what you will do we don't want to do they are not our relatives we are saying everybody has to work together na we are giving the service but not 2500 and not 2003 rate so the process is social welfare will assured they will do it we are confident Subhash Phaldesai has been supporting us whenever we have gone to him he has entered you can approach him he is approachable
Did he contact you yesterday?
I spoke to him and told him sir and I told him on previous day I have given a letter to him sir I am going to close down he told me give me some time to look into the matter so we are not having anything personal against nobody this is a state problem we are solving the problem social welfare is supporting us we are only asking sir whatever coins you got make it some few notes understood ना ते जावचे ना 2003 rate and 2023 गोंय जातले ते